In a world where furry four-legged friends steal our hearts and bring immeasurable joy, the decision to welcome a feline companion into our lives is truly a special one. Today we are going to check on the top breed cats that known to be great companions and are well suited for families. And our number one cat is the Siamese. This breed is very affectionate and loves to be around people. They are very vocal and playful, making them great companions for families. Our number two breed is the Persian. This breed is known for their long, luxurious coats and docile personalities. They are generally calm and quiet and make great lap cats. The Maine Coon. This is one of the largest breeds of cats, which is known for their gentle personalities and very social and enjoyable and enjoy being around people, making it a good for the family setup. Our fourth is the British Shorthair. This breed is known for their round face and chubby cheeks. They are very friendly and sociable and are great with children, making a good family member. Number 5 is the Sphinx. This breed is known for being hairless and is great for people with allergies. They are very affectionate and love to be around people. So you should have a family member for your family. Ultimately, the breed of cat that you choose should be based on your partner's preferences and lifestyle. It is important to research the breed thoroughly and make sure that it will be a good fit for your home before making a final decision. Whether you reside in vibrant landscapes of Kenya or beyond, this guide transcends geographical boundaries, as the allure of cats knows no bounds. So join us as we embark on an adventure to uncover the ideal feline partner for you, your family, or that special one, unlocking a world of personality, charm, and a companionship that will warm your heart for years to come. See you in our next video.